This is vacuum hose of 4 mm diameter. We will install it to connect the air intake manifold, map sensor, pressure reducer. Let's firstly connect the vacuum hose to the connector, which is installed at the drilled hole on the air intake manifold. Take note the connection of vacuum hose should be at an outer location compared to the connection of injector rail injection hoses. Cut the 4 mm hose to appropriate length and connect it from the air intake manifold to map sensor vacuum connector. Follow the same steps and connect another 4 mm hose from map sensor to the pressure reducer vacuum connector accordingly. Make sure every hose connections are tightened with hose clamps. For more information, please contact us.